So recently I had someone call me and ask me, should I paint the house or redo the floors? And what do you think my answer was? Paint the house. You know, and the whole house, like all the walls, like maybe you can get away with the baseboards and the door casings and the window trim and stuff like that, but paint all the walls. When selling your home, when someone walks in and sees a fresh coat of paint all the way through the house, and then also keep it neutral, keep it the grays, some of the neutral colors. Go on Sherwin-Williams and look at the most popular colors at the season or at the moment. Actually, green right now is one of the better colors from Sherwin-Williams. Blue was last year, I believe. But anyway, do that. Paint all the walls. Get all the nail pops. Put your pictures back up. You want to have the decor in its stage, but the flooring, that's something that they can do, in my opinion. They can do that. There's so many different types of floors, and yes, I agree. There's a lot of different style paints, and some people might say, "Oh, they're just going to paint anyway." But we got to sell your house first. So, if you had to do one, paint the inside of your house. Wow, that sounded country. I guess I am from Alabama. So anyway, Matt Williams, eXp Realty. See you later, guys. Please visit homesintheham.com. See you. Bye-bye.